After water damage, many homeowners focus on cleanup and repairs, but one of the biggest dangers may already be starting inside the walls. Mold can begin growing very quickly after water intrusion, especially in New Orleans, where humidity levels create ideal conditions for rapid mold growth. Whether the damage comes from hurricanes, roof leaks, plumbing issues, or flooding, trapped moisture can spread through drywall, insulation, flooring, and HVAC systems. One of the biggest warning signs is a strong, musty smell after water damage. You may also notice dark spots on walls or ceilings, peeling paint, warped flooring, or increased allergy symptoms indoors. Joya recently shared her experience with Big Easy Environmental Services. Todd is fantastic. He's very knowledgeable, friendly, and helpful. What makes mold especially dangerous is that it often spreads in hidden areas long before homeowners realize there is a serious problem. Many people attempt to dry the area themselves, but without properly identifying hidden moisture, mold may continue spreading behind the scenes. Professional mold remediation focuses on locating moisture sources, containing affected areas, improving indoor air quality, and helping prevent long-term structural damage. David Alexander also shared, "Todd did a great job. Highly recommend if you need mold testing. The longer water damage is left untreated, the greater the risk of widespread contamination and more expensive repairs later." In flood-prone cities like New Orleans, fast action after water damage is critical. If you suspect mold after flooding or leaks, Big Easy Environmental provides professional mold remediation and environmental testing services throughout the New Orleans area.